In this lesson, we will attach muscle systems to the character's forearms. So the steps here for getting our muscles connected to the forearms and to the shoulders, they'll be the same steps that we've used to rig the legs. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll import in a muscle. So that's import merge. And then once we've managed to do that, let's say we go ahead and move the muscle over, just so it's easier to work with. So I'll bring this up and over. Let's go ahead and grab our move gizmo and do that. It's now time to rename our layers. So here's muscle main, muscle hidden. Let's go ahead and work with a prefix of forearm L. So this first one will be forearm underscore L underscore. Remember, once we do that, we'll want to undo to revert each muscle's name back to the original name. Let's do the same thing for the main layer. Forearm L. Alright, sweet. It's now time to rename our muscle objects. We can head over to our Scene Explorer. We'll search for muscle. Now, we can go to Tools, Rename Objects. Let's change our prefix. That'll be forearm underscore L underscore. And we'll click Rename. Nice. Alright, now we need to figure out the size of this system. Let's go ahead and grab our expose node. We'll scroll up to the top and we'll expose the forearm and the nub for the wrist. So there's the forearm, there's the wrist, and now we can go ahead and scroll down and grab our distance. So that's 22.117. Let's go ahead and copy that and we'll jump over to our listener window. Let's go ahead and clear everything out. We'll just go ahead and highlight all of our code and press Ctrl V to paste, and we'll divide by 60. Alright, sweet. Let's go ahead and hit enter on our number pad to figure out the result. And here it is. So that's going to be 36.862. Remember, we're rounding out the second to last value because of the 7 here. Sweet. Let's go ahead and copy this. And then we'll go ahead and move over to our muscle. From there, we'll grab our scale gizmo and paste in that value. Sweet, so there's our size. Let's go ahead and use Alt-A to align this to our forearm bone. Once we've done that, it's now time to figure out where our start helper is and where the end is. So here's the end. As we've done with the legs, we'll go ahead and make sure that the end helper is at the top and the start helper is at the bottom. So in this case, we'll make sure that the start is aligned with the wrist. Let's go ahead and grab the global node of our muscle system. We'll grab our rotate gizmo. Let's go ahead and make sure it's set to local. And with angle snap-on, we'll rotate this down 90 degrees. Sweet! So now we can go ahead and find our temporary helper. There it is. We'll go to the motion panel. Underneath position, we'll remove our 2 targets and we'll create new ones. So let's choose delete, delete. And now we can choose add position target and we'll add the forearm and the wrist. Nice. We'll now right click to exit the add position target mode. Let's go ahead and grab the global node of our muscle system and we'll use Shift A to quick align it to our helper. And there we have it. Remember, once we've managed to do this, we'll then want to link this system to our forearm. Nice. So there we have it. Everything is connected. What you can do next is go ahead and update your scale expressions. Might as well do that now. Let's go ahead and have them point at our global control. What I'll do is go ahead and take care of the right side in between lessons. I'll leave that up to you. And in the following lesson, we'll go ahead and work on the shoulders.